before I show you the good stuff, let me just take you through what has happened.
Previously on the build.
If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose it all. No.
BLDH here for a Supermoto build. So we have this 500 EXC as usual, and we're doing a lot of progress. Had some winter break, but now we're finally back on track, continuing with the moto build. We're becoming the coolest, most badass 500 on the market, you know, Supermoto, hashtag blessed. What? You know your license plate holder, you know this one here, that's supposed to go like this. Yeah, I've been planning to eliminate that one so I can have a more tight fitting. You might think that I will want to have a stunt frame, but unfortunately I have to disappoint you. I'm not making a stunt frame. My idea was that you could have something that holds the brake light and indicators up here, so you don't have to have this massive thing to be sticking out. So this summer we created something beautiful. So this is some clips from us welding together something back there. We are doing some special shit for my tail. We're not making a stunt frame, sorry, but we're making a nice tail for the brake light. So here we are planning the metal bracket for my tail light. So I think we're gonna weld the metal plate on these two like homemade brackets here. Now it looks like this boy. So now we're just gonna weld it. And now we've done the indicator. It looks so clean. That's so nice. So the final result after being powder coated and finished, this is the beast. This is the beast. So the idea here is that this one goes up something like this. Yeah, so it will be so tight in there. Yeah, so left to do is just to mount it and see the final result. So it's this license plate holder versus this one. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so please remove the seat. No, I think so. with the finished product. So this is how it looks. Nice. As a finishing touch, let's look at some pro photos from Thailand of how it all turned out. So from the back you can hardly see the metal bracket, only the small hoops for the indicators, right there. But you can clearly see the brake light from behind, which I really like. So I think this is a perfect combo of form and function for my street legal Supermoto, lol. And now I can scrape my rear fender for real. Yay! And is this legal?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it is as legal as the previous setup, but as we know, in Sweden, we have it pretty chill here.